guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a huge Sephora haul. I actually have another big bag right here. So we're going to be doing a huge Sephora haul. I am so excited to be sharing with you guys what I purchased from the Sephora sale. But before we get started, I do really want to introduce myself. For those of you guys who are new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Jessica, aka The Mexican Beauty. I make videos on all things beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. So I would love for you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. And I also want to mention that whenever I'm not here on YouTube, I'm always on Instagram, The Mexican Beauty, posting content 24/7. I also recently made a TikTok, also The Mexican Beauty, so you guys can always find me there whenever I'm not here on YouTube. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this Sephora haul because I have a lot of really cool items to talk about. I don't even know where to start. I think I'm just gonna randomly start. Okay, so this Sephora sale, I don't know if it's because I'm getting older or because I review a lot of makeup products, but I really focused on like self-care products, like products that I use on the daily that aren't necessarily makeup related. So we're gonna start off with Way. You guys have been seeing me talk about Way all the time. I purchased their detox shampoo because there are moments where like after a few days of me working out, either using dry shampoo or just kind of letting the hair, you know, sit, I'm like, okay, I need to get rid of these like little grease spots. So it's always good when your hair is like really nice and clean. There's nothing better than like super clean hair, especially after a few days of it being super like dirty. So this smells good. You can definitely smell the apple in here. So if you like that whole apple scent, you'll love this. Another reason why I love Way hair products is because they do last in the hair. You can smell them all through the day. I did purchase this. I also did pick up another one of the Way Thick Hair conditioner. I'm a huge fan of their conditioner. I'm about to finish one. So this is gonna be the second one that I have purchased. This smells so good. It kind of smells like marshmallow fluff. Like I don't know how to describe it, like rose marshmallow fluff. And I just think, it's absolutely amazing. They have one for medium hair, fine hair, so it's for everybody, you know? But I also feel like you should be investing in good quality hair products because your hair is also a part of you. Like, I feel like people kind of like think their hair is like last resort sometimes, but like you really want to treat your hair right so that you can have luscious, beautiful hair for a very long time. And I'm just literally gonna be jumping around, so I'm not going in any particular, I'm just pulling things out. So the next product that I purchased is a skincare product. This is from Glow Recipe. It's actually a new product, and this is the Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. This is for redness relief. When I saw this, I was very intrigued, especially because if you guys know, I do suffer from rosacea. For me, it's always nice to find a good product that can kind of reduce the redness or not be so irritated. So for me, when I saw this, I was very intrigued. I have tried some of the Glow Recipe masks. They are very nice, but when I saw this, I was very intrigued, especially after I saw in the news section. I was like, let me go ahead and check this out. It's supposed to reduce visible redness and support a healthy looking moisture barrier with this ultra soothing serum. It looks like that. Let me smell it because I don't want to pump any product out yet until I use it. It's like a gel consistency. And it does have like a little bit of that avocado smell, but it's not like super avocado-y. So if you're not like a huge avocado person, you may not like this. It just says after cleansing, toning, and then apply this 1 to 2 pumps. Gently pat on damp skin and neck. Never forget your neck. That's like the most essential until fully absorbed. It says apply daily, AM and PM. I like to use more so serums at night than in the day because I feel like that's kind of the restoring phase of the time where I'm, you know, applying my products. But I don't know yet. I will see when I will incorporate this, but I will keep you guys updated because I did see some before and after pictures of people with redness that seemed to me was rosacea, and it did look really nice and it looked like it made a difference. Okay, the next product, I had to finally hop on this bandwagon because I was like, girl, like just go ahead and do it. So this is the Hollywood Flawless Filter, like skin tint, I would say. I don't even know what to call it. Like a filter, a skin enriched product that has a bit of a glow. But I was like, I need to check this out. It's $40-something. I'm like, this is the time now to get it. I know a lot of people have mixed feelings about this because it is a glowy product. Some people like to mix it with their foundations or skin tints or even just applying it alone. I thought this would be a great product for the summer. I did pick this out in the shade medium 4.5, but honestly, I think one of the reasons why I really wanted to purchase it this sale is because I feel like 2021 is really the year of natural makeup, very skin-like makeup, skin tints, just products that kind of enhance your natural beauty and cover what they need to cover, any little small imperfections. And that's kind of what I'm about right now. Like, honestly guys, for the regular day, I'm wearing this type of makeup, or less, honestly, or less. As long as I have my sunscreen and I have a little lip oil on my lips, I'm good. I don't need any of the extra. I know it's not a new product. Maybe some of you guys already own this. Let me know your thoughts on how you like to use this product on yourself. I would love to hear that. Now we're gonna go on to the next stuff. Okay, so this, I purchased the Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette. So I've been looking for some more eyeshadow palettes to invest in, just because I feel like I've been using the same ones over and over. Right now, my obsession has been the KKW Beauty Mauve palette and the Honey palette. I've also been really obsessed with the Juvia's Place, the Violet palette. Those have been like my go-to, and the Mario Master Matte palette is bomb. So those have been my go-to, but I'm like, I feel like I need something for spring and summer, and I saw that Rare Beauty recently came out with the new palettes that they have. This one's called True to Myself. They also have another one that's a little bit more neutral, but I wanted to pick this one up. If I can take it out. It's always a struggle to take these things out. So it looks like this. So cute. Rare Beauty has the cutest packaging ever. It kind of goes with my nails, doesn't it? Yeah. So I got this one. And I just figured it would be so fun for spring and summer. You know, you got your little pops of color right here, these nice shimmers, and then you get a good range of some mattes, like this really pretty peach tone. I feel like peach is gonna be so in for the summer. This like mauve lilac color that I've been loving. So I'm just really excited to be putting this palette to the test. I may actually use it later today because I am gonna be working on a makeup look that I wanna post on Instagram. I feel like another thing that I've noticed recently is that more brands are going more so into that smaller palette than like that larger palette. I feel like 2015 through maybe 18 was like the big palettes, the big Morphe palettes. Now I feel like this is more in, you know, you want something practical on the go. Okay, so next thing, I repurchased the Summer Fridays Cloud Dew Oil-Free Gel Cream. I actually am about to finish this one right here. I love this so much. It's so good on my sensitive skin. You guys can see pretty much nothing in there. I was like, I need to repurchase this because I love how this lays on my skin. It's that gel-like formula that I feel like melts right into my rosacea. Also, right now that I've been struggling with dry patches, I feel like it really does hydrate and moisturize my face. So for me, the product that works the best right now during this time of the year is definitely the Summer Fridays Cloud Dew Oil-Free Gel Cream. This gel consistency is great, especially when layering this with my sunscreens right now. I find that applying this and then going over top with my sunscreen, the sunscreen lays really nice. It's also great in case you're not a primer person, like a foundation primer person. So this can kind of be like your primer and moisturizer before foundation. It makes sure that the foundation lays really nicely. It's a tacky, nice consistency that just sits so well with the product. So this is what I have been loving. So we're moving into another product that I am repurchasing, and that is the Way Scalp and Body Scrub. This stuff is amazing. I'm almost done the one that I currently have, so this is my second one. And what I love so much about this body scrub, that it's great for exfoliating your skin. It's so important that you exfoliate your skin maybe once or twice a week, just to make sure that it's really nice and smooth. It gets rid of all that dead skin on your legs, on your arms, like just all over the body. You can also use this on your scalp to exfoliate your scalp in case you do suffer from like dry skin on the scalp. You do use this on your scalp, only use a little bit. You do not need a lot, because the last thing is you're gonna have like little beads like stuck in your hair. So just use a little bit and kind of scrub it up there, especially moving into like leg season, where we're gonna be, you know, outside in like skirts, shorts, just kind of like less clothing. It's so nice to have a good exfoliator to really get rid of all that dead skin, especially if you are somebody that likes to sit out in the sun. You want to be exfoliating the dead skin. So highly recommend Way. So I was like, let me go ahead and try Sol de Janeiro. And I did purchase the biggest one, which is $45. I think they have a smaller 1 ounce version, or maybe 2 ounce version. That's 20 bucks. But I was like, I need to get the big one because I know I'm gonna use it every day. Like when I, you know, shower and all that, like I need this. So I've never tried this brand. I am so excited to be trying this brand. They have the original, but they also had this one, which is, I think this one is the peach one. I think it is peach. But I was like, I want to smell like this. So let's open. I just want to take a little sniff. I'm going to pop that open. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'll keep you guys updated on this, but I've literally seen every person rave about this and they have nothing but good things to say about it. So I'm really excited. I have a feeling it will be worth the $45. And I'm just really excited because it does have that vitamin C and fruit AHAS. I have one more bag here. This is the One Size Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. So when I first saw this and heard about this, I thought this was just like a makeup setting spray. I literally thought it was like a dupe for the Morphe one, like the same thing, but I never paid attention to the fact that it's not a setting spray. It's actually a dissolving spray. So after that full day of full-blown makeup, you apply this and it dissolves your makeup, and then you go in and start really cleansing your skin for your nighttime skincare. So I actually came to that conclusion after I watched a bunch of TikToks. So I went ahead and purchased it. They do have two sizes. They have the mini and then they have this. So this one does contain 3.4 ounces. Super excited to check this out because I've just seen all great things about this. I think it's super innovative that Patrick Starr did this type of formula to dissolve the makeup. Because like I mentioned, I was one of those people that I just thought this was a setting spray. Okay, so the next product that I purchased is this Supergoop Glow Stick Sunscreen SPF 50. So I was actually hesitant about this product because I had a reaction to one of the Supergoop sunscreens a few years ago because of my rosacea. You guys know with rosacea, very sensitive skin, you know, just not the best situation. So for me, I was like, I don't know if I want to try it, but I was really curious because I also saw this on TikTok, and also because this was one of those products that I feel like you can just take this on the go and retouch, reapply, you know? So I was like, I need to check this out. And because it does have 50 SPF, I was like, great, especially because my typical SPFs have between 30 to like 45 SPF. So for me, like it's important, especially if I'm not wearing a full face of makeup and I can't just retouch my sunscreen with a makeup sunscreen setting spray. It's important for me to have something like this for on the no makeup days. So I did purchase this. I actually already tried this. Now this one is a chemical sunscreen, just FYI. It is cruelty-free, vegan, it's clean and all that good stuff at Sephora, which is one of the reasons why I felt like, okay, I think I can do this. And honestly, I already tried this. I had no reactions to it. Now, this is definitely not for the person who has very oily skin or doesn't like any type of like glowy residue, because it does give your skin a really pretty glow. And I think for me, because my skin has been more so dry lately, and sometimes sunscreen doesn't lay the best just because it'll separate because of my dryness, this lays so nicely. Definitely not a product that you want to apply with makeup though, because it does have a very glowy consistency. But if you're somebody that doesn't like wearing makeup or doesn't wear much makeup, or maybe doesn't wear face makeup, just mascara and brows, I think you'll really enjoy this, especially if you do have dry or normal skin, but like a glowy finish. So it's literally a stick, so you just apply it. Another way that I've seen people use this is they will apply their regular mineral sunscreen. So I would just apply my burst. I already have this all over. And then let's say, you know, I apply this at 10 a.m. Let's say it's like a few hours later and, you know, I have this in my purse. I just go back in and retouch with this one. Now that this did work for me a few years later from trying that other Supergoop item, I'm kind of intrigued to try some other products from Supergoop. We shall see though. I don't like to rush into things just because I feel like with rosacea sensitive skin, you want to try a few products at a time, one or two, and then see how those go for like a month or so, and then, you know, try other products. So now I want to talk about the last two items that I purchased. So these are from Merit Beauty. I'm actually wearing this color right here on my lips. This one is in Sangria. And then I purchased another one in Au Natural. I've been loving Merit Beauty because they're all about that minimal makeup look, and I'm actually wearing a full face of Merit Beauty right now, actually, in case you guys are wondering. I will list what I have on my face for those of you guys who do like the more natural makeup look. And I've been loving the Merit lip oils. So I did pick up the darkest one, which is Sangria, and it's what I'm wearing right now. This brand is for the person who loves a natural makeup look. This is the color, and you look at it and you're like, oh my God, it's gonna be too dark for me, but it's literally a lip oil. So it's just like a touch, a pinch of color. And then this is the most natural color in Au Natural. And I think that's how you pronounce it. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, I'm sorry. This one is a more lighter tone. So it's like a pinky peach tone. Because it's a lip oil, it really does moisturize and hydrates your lips like no other. So definitely check out Merit. They have like the prettiest colors. And like I mentioned, I have a full face of them on right now. And like, it's just the most natural minimalistic vibes, but like enhancing your beauty, which I love. That's pretty much it. So if you guys did enjoy watching this haul, give me a big thumbs up. Let's me know to continue doing these types of videos for you guys. I know you guys love watching hauls. Also, let me know down below what you purchased from the Sephora sale. How you guys want to know what I purchased, I want to know what you purchased. So let me know down below in the comment section. Let's go ahead and start a conversation. Don't forget to stay safe, stay blessed, and stay beautiful. And I'll be seeing you guys very, very soon. That's my dog for a brand new video. Bye, guys.